So, good morning everyone. Today, as I said you that we will be starting the mole concept. So today I am going to start the mole concept. Now mole concept is a very difficult topic. So I want your full attention for the mole concept, okay? Full attention. Which Baba Ramdev wants from his disciples. Total attention. Is it clear? So let us start mole concept. Now what is mole? Mole actually is the name of an animal, first of all. But if I talk about chemistry, that what is mole, I would like to say in only one sentence what is mole. Only one line will tell you what is mole. And that line is 1 mole is always equal to the molar mass of the compound. 1 mole is always equals to 22.4 liter of volume. And 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecules or particles. This is the entire mole concept. This is the entire mole concept. So 1 mole means molar mass of the compound. 1 mole means 22.4 liter of volume. So if I compare with mass, then 1 mole is molar mass which is expressed in grams. If I compare with volume, that 1 mole means 22.4 liter of volume. And if I compare with particles or atoms, you are quite familiar with this number. This is nothing but Avogadro's number. So 1 mole is equal to Avogadro's number of particles. Now if I tell you what is molar mass, now suppose CO2 I take, carbon dioxide. So carbon ka mass is 12 and O2 ka mass is 32. 44 gram. So 44 gram is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. So 44 gram is the 44 gram of carbon dioxide means 1 mole. 44 gram of carbon dioxide means 1 mole. Okay, means molar mass of any compound is equals to 1 mole. कोई भी किसी का भी molar mass equals to 1 mole. Now suppose if I take water, then water ka 2 plus 16, so that is 18 gram. So 18 gram of water means 1 mole. Did you understand? किसी भी compound का molar mass is equals to 1 mole. Now if I take a bigger compound, suppose I take H2SO4. So it is 2 plus 32 plus 64. That is 98 gram. This is the actual mass of this compound. This is the molar mass. So molar mass means 1 mole. So 98 gram means 1 mole. So if 98 gram if 1 mole, then 49 gram will be. If 98 gram is 1 mole, then 1 gram will be 1 by 98 mole. And 49 gram will be 49 by 98 mole, that is half mole. Did you understand? So in this way you can find the number of moles. So how did I find the number of moles? By 49 by 98. So what is 49? 49 is the mass given to me. 49 is the mass given to me and 98 is the molar mass. 98 is the molar mass. So my formula comes, which is a very important formula. My formula comes that number of moles equals to given mass by molar mass. Students, please note this formula in your copy. This is called Jai Baba Ganesh. This is called Jai Baba Ganesh. Ganesh ji protects you from everything. This formula will protect you from everything. So number of moles is given mass by molar mass. Clear? So in terms of volume if I write, then what will I get? That number of moles is equal to given volume by 22.4 liter. Because 22.4 liter means 1 mole. And number of moles equals to given number of atoms divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So these are the three formulas of number of moles. So if in the question it is given given mass, if mass is given, then given mass by molar mass. If volume is given, then given volume by 22.4. And if number of atom is given, then given number of atoms by Avogadro number of atoms. You can find out number of moles. So this is actually the overall concept. Means 1 mole is nothing but the molar mass. अगर तुमको in terms of mass चाहिए, अगर in terms of volume चाहिए, तो 1 mole is nothing but 22.4 liter. And if you want in terms of atoms, then 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Clear? So this is the overall mole concept. So if I rub it, so in this context, one thing more you have to understand. In this context, one thing more, suppose I take H2SO4. तो इसमें क्या लिख सकता है हम कि 1 molecule of H2SO4 में I have 2 atoms of hydrogen, I have 1 atom of sulfur, and I have 4 atoms of oxygen. एक molecule में. In 1 molecule में I have 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur, and 4 atoms of oxygen. Clear? So 1 mole of H2SO4 में, if I take 1 mole of H2SO4, what is the meaning? Meaning that I have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of H2SO4. I have 1 mole of H2SO4 equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of H2SO4. क्योंकि हम किसका मोल लिया है? I have taken the mole of H2SO4. And so this much molecule of H2SO4. Now, if I want to take out hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen from here. Okay, if I want to take out this, then 1 molecule has 2 atoms of hydrogen. 1 molecule of H2SO4 has 2 atoms of hydrogen. So this much molecule of H2SO4 will have 2 into 6.022 into 20 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. These 2 will get multiplied. 1 molecule of H2SO4 has 1 atom of S. So this much molecule of H2SO4 has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of S. And 1 molecule has 4 atoms of oxygen. So this much molecule will have 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. Which means, students, see here, 1 mole of H2SO4 has this much of H2SO4, this much of H, this much of S, this much of O. और H2SO4 एज ए होल है इतना. तो अगर ये पूरा का निकालना है तो ये, लेकिन अगर इसका निकालना है तो जो नंबर होगा उससे मल्टीप्लाई. If you need to take out S, directly this because it is 1. If you need to take out O, then 4 into this much because there is 4. This is one part of the concept. Clear? Okay. So this is overall idea of mole concept. Today we will be doing questions related to this to take out the number of moles. Now suppose example, I give one example. One example I am giving. 10 liter of a gas weighs 11.6 gram. What is the molar mass of the gas? This is the question. Now how to solve? Mole concept, what do you mean by mole concept? 1 mole means molar mass. Again 1 mole means 22.4 liter. Again 1 mole means 6.022 10 to the power 23 atom. This is the statement of mole. So 1 mole is equal to this, 1 mole is equal to this, 1 mole is equal to this. So this is also equal to this. This is also equal to this. This is also equal to this. All these 4 are equal in themselves. समझ में आया? All these 4 are equal in themselves. So now they have told you 10 liter of a gas weighs 11.6 ग्राम. मतलब 10 लीटर गैस का वेट है 11.6. तो मोलर मास कितना होगा? तो तुमको मोलर मास पूछा है ना? वॉल्यूम दी इज गिवन. सो मोलर मास एंड वॉल्यूम का क्या रिलेशन है? दैट 22.4 लीटर में यू गेट द मोलर मास. 22.4 liter में you get the molar mass. Means whatever mass of the compound is at 22.4 liter, that is the molar mass. Whatever mass of the compound 22.4 liter में उस सब्सटेंस का जो भी मास होगा वही मोलर मास होगा. Did you understand? 22.4 liter में जितना एटम होगा वही ये होगा. Fix. मतलब these 4 are related. So how can I do this? You see here. 10 liter weighs 11.6 gram. Therefore 1 liter weighs 11.6 by 10 gram. Therefore क्या निकालना है? मोलर मास ना. So I need how much liter? 22.4. So 22.4 liter weighs 11.6 by 10 into 22.4. So if you do the calculation, approximately answer will come 26 gram. Which means 22.4 liter has how much mass? 26 gram. So यही molar mass होगा according to mole concept. क्योंकि we know that 22.4 liter is whatever mass is nothing but the molar mass. So this is mole concept. This is the part of mole concept. और बहुत सारा mole concept है. This is a part of mole concept. So you please practice and try to understand. The notes I will send it to you in Google Classroom. So once again students, 1 mole is nothing but the molar mass. 1 mole is nothing but 22.4 liter of volume. And 1 mole is nothing but Avogadro number of atoms. That's all. I hope you understood. Watch the video and thank you very much. Stay safe. Stay happy. Thank you. Please pause it.